Tonight, a Kewanee father is on pretrial release. He was arrested yesterday on charges of aggravated battery and child endangerment against his newborn baby. Maddie France shows us how local police handle these cases and the impact they have on officers.
Just a few days before Christmas, Kewanee police got a call from the Illinois Department of Children and Family Services.
And it's something that you don't want any officer to have to see or deal with.
A newborn baby with severe injuries, now in DCFS custody.
It can be emotionally draining, it can be physically draining, especially when you see somebody that young of age that's hurt to the point where, they're in a hospital in a NICU or a PICU.
Deputy Chief Michael Minks has been on these types of cases before. It's even harder for officers with kids of their own.
The worst thing that it did was just probably cried and frustrated some parents.
The investigations unit interviewed the parents, 30-year-old Armando Rosas and 24-year-old Alexis Eckelberger.
They have the time to sit with the medical teams and DCFS and all involved with looking through those medical records and understanding what happened, trying to explain how injuries occurred.
The father's explanation didn't line up with his baby's injuries. For the next month and a half, officers put together a case.
The big thing where we knew that we could take a little bit of time was that, this child was safe, and DCFS was involved.
Thursday, police arrested Rosas on 2 counts of aggravated battery causing great bodily harm with a flammable substance and 1 count of child endangerment. He spent the night in Henry County Jail. Eckelberger was also arrested on child endangerment. She was released with a notice to appear. I checked in with neighbors at a few of this family's potential addresses. They were all shocked to hear about the arrests, but none of them knew Rosas or Eckelberger. Minks says Kewanee Police offers multiple mental health resources for its officers.
And we openly talk about it here at the police department and make sure that people are okay. We check in with them.
They have designated peer support officers and a licensed therapist available. Even though the investigation can be a heavy load to bear,
it's also rewarding when you put in all that hard work, knowing that you help that victim out.
Rosas had his first court appearance earlier today. The judge let him out on pretrial release under the provisions of the Safety Act. He can only see his children if DCFS allows it, and he can't see any minor without supervision. The other adult has to be someone other than Eckelberger. His next court appearance is on March 3rd.